You see a truck camper at the bottom right. Yeah, you find these little gems. 13 Mile Trailhead Campground. Highway 21 up by Republic. This is the entry sign to the 13 Mile Trailhead and Campground, Colville National Forest, right off Highway 21. And there are 4 campsites in there. Very nice. Look at these fall colors. Love it. I had to hike up this road here a little ways to see what it is. Figure I'm a good quarter mile in here now. There's the little river stream is down below us. I guess there's a gate up here. And the gate is open. I wouldn't take the truck camper up here because of low branches, such as that. But I think this here's about as far as I'm going to go here. But you can see the road continues on down. Looks like there's a log in the road. But yeah, pretty country. Okay. Yeah, so there's the one round in the road there, and somebody geniusly left a plastic bottle there too. Okay, no deer back here. Not seen, hearing, no poop. Anyway, all right, let's go back to the camper. Okay, I just had a bear run across the road in front of me. Up through here. Probably long gone, but I'm just gonna be sure about that. Keeping a good look all around me. Oh, hey, this might be your lucky day. I was just walking that road there and started coming back. Big black bear ran across in front of me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I pulled out Martha here just in case, but I mean, maybe 100 yards that way, and it ran this way.
It ran that way?
No, it ran towards us.
Oh, towards us. Okay.
So, and there's like a gully there, and I don't know if it went down into it and then come back over here, because I think that gully wraps over here. And so, yeah, anyway, big one, and it's right near.
Okay. Well, I'll go over there and perhaps take a look.
Yeah.
Thanks for the heads up. I appreciate that.
Yeah. So, yeah, beware. All right, good luck. Yeah, you might get your bear. Uh-huh. All right. So, yeah, I'm glad the bear ran away, not toward me. All right. Well, that was enough excitement. No bear for dinner, but anyway. All right, let's get in there. Okay, we are on the road, leaving the 13 Mile Campground. In the bear, I just helped some folks with, they had battery problems, so I gave them a hand with it, cleaned off the battery terminals and cable ends, and then he had a lithium battery, starting battery for the car, but unfortunately it was below 48% of charge, so he needs to charge that thing up, and it wouldn't start the car because it was under 50% charge. So anyway, I brought the truck over, gave them a jump, and because their battery was pretty much dead, I didn't run the truck, because you don't want to jump another vehicle with a completely dead battery, because that dead short can kill your battery or kill your alternator, because it will all of a sudden be a dead short in your electrical and fry your voltage regulator. So anyway, they're driving up ahead of me, and we're both going to Republic. I'm gonna do a video upload there, and they are going to maybe buy a battery if there's a battery or an auto shop open. And so yeah, anyway, I don't know, I guess they're maybe not going to go for the bear today because of the battery issues, but they were looking with a spotting scope, and they saw another bear up on the side of the mountain. So 2 bears in the area. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna drive. dinner tonight is going to be a little bit more fancy schmancy. We are going to have a London broil. Look at that. We've got it resting on top of the oven right now. And in the oven we have quartered potatoes, celery, mushrooms, onion, and carrot. So those need about half an hour to go. But the London broil, that I couldn't find any tri-tip. Normally I like to get tri-tip, but this is very similar to a tri-tip. It's a little leaner of a cut and should be just as tasty. So what I'm doing here is I am just kind of trying a little barbecue trick with it tonight. A lot of barbecue aficionados like to put a rub binder on their meat, and so a lot of them like to use mustard. I tried the mustard and I didn't really care for it, but this time I'm going to try just mayonnaise. And mayonnaise is a smoother, softer flavor. And so I have some Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning on it, along with some pepper and garlic. And the Tony's that I'm using tonight is the more spice version. So I am a big fan of Tony Chachere's, and that is going to make a very tasty London broil. I will have the update on that for you later this evening. But the vegetables are in there at right about 275, maybe 300 degrees. It's hard to regulate the temperature in this oven, but I don't hear them bubbling away too much. I did turn the heat down a little. And so anyway, half an hour, pull out the veggies, put in the London broil, and the London broil will have absorbed some of that mayonnaise into the meat, and along with the salt, garlic, and all that good spicing, pepper, and should be a really tasty dinner tonight. Okay, stand by for the live dinner report. We have dinner. So there we go, London broil, cooked to perfection. Just a little bit of reddishness. And here is the Unknown Mechanics serving. London broil is served sliced about a half-inch thick across the grain. So we've got our roast veggies, potato, onion, celery, carrot, and some mushrooms. Very delicious. Okay, chow time. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. I was going to have you lift that up, but that's all right. All right, so here we go. We seem to have found a tree that was overhanging, and
yeah, that's fine.
It bit off the fridge vent cover, but came up with a quick solution. We drilled holes through the roof portion of the where the
I got the edge.
don't walk on the solar panels. And so anyway, we've got these two doubled up 100-pound rated zip ties that will do a very nice job of holding this down until I get a replacement. And there we go, just like a haircut. So anyway, but yeah.
Okay, I'm going back to tie my
Yeah. Okay, so there you go. In a pinch, if you find a tree unexpectedly, it may or may not have been due to bad directions, but yeah, but you weren't signaling either. Okay, yeah, no, he guided me out, but then didn't look to see what he guided me out into. Anyway, okay, so there you go. Quick on-the-road fix for a torn-off fridge vent cap. New one on the way.